So guys, I'm setting up this white 50-inch deck here that come off of the 817 on the 8162T, or the 8163T, I'm sorry. I converted it to hydraulic lift whenever I built it. So right now I got the drive shaft and the two pins to hold the deck on. I think the shaking of the tractor is gonna screw that up pretty good. So I got the pin in there. It's supposed to keep that from doing that, but that's not a good enough pin. So I'll have to go back to the drawing board there. But this one I have here should suffice. Okay, so I need to find one more pin. Alright, hold on. I gotta have the pins in before I put the drive shaft in. I might as well shut this thing off, because I can put the deck down without it running. I can't pick the deck up though. Alright. We're into my pin stash. I try and use this stash of pins up over here for my front drive stuff. So I used the last of the pins up from there. Alright, none laying up top. Now we have, like, this pin here is no good. That's junk. I don't know why I kept that. This pin here should work, hopefully. I'm sure gonna try it. So I'm gonna set this thing up and then see if this PTO is any good or not. Not like I really have any grass to mow, but just kind of what I have the itch to try tonight. It's a pretty nice night out too. Oops. But you guys can see. There you go. That's on there, so now we can let the hydraulics down and put the drive shaft in. Right now this is the only deck I have that'll lift up and down the whole way. Because all my other hydraulic lift tractors are set up for a snow blade, and I never move the lift rods. So, okay, let me get this drive shaft in, and I will bring you guys back and show you what happens. Unless you guys wanna, can you guys even see what I'm swearing at? I don't have my tripod out. You guys could kind of see there. If I go to the other side, you might be able to see it. Okay. You guys still awake over there, huh? Okay, that fits in there. Looks like that'll reach there. Okay, there's that. So, this next step is here we'll light her up and see what she does. I should really fix this. So, here we go. Without a load, it's working anyhow. I can see the belt flopping around a good bit, so let's rev her up and see what she does here. Something is noisy on this deck. I don't know what it is though. Well, nothing's touching the drive shaft, so let's go mow a little bit. See if I can't find a little bit of grass. I don't think there is too awful much. But I'll go look around. But it seems like PTO works as of this second with no real load. Just spinning the deck up. So anyhow, here we go. I'll bring you guys back if I find some grass. It rained a bunch yesterday, and today it's like 70 degrees out. Super nice. You guys are looking into the sun that way, but grass is greening up. So anyhow, here we go. Didn't forget anything? Remember, I left that screwdriver laying there, guys. This is more so when I edit this later, I'll remember seeing it. Here we go. Reverse hoe. I found a little bit of green here. Let's see what happens. That seemed like it took out a little bit, okay? One of them tractors, the carb is always changing. That seems like it's working okay to me. Off that Honan without the chip plate on. It's mowing nice too. I don't know, guys, I think PTO is okay. Up here by the house. I don't know why it's growing here, but it is. They got this little dog leg growing right here. I don't know why. That's good enough for me, guys. So I'll catch everybody on the next one. Later. Love it when a plan comes together. Yeah, maybe someday I'll replace that clutch. Till then, just let her fly. Later. Riding off into the sunset. Yay. other than the lift rod came off down there. Nice. I'll fix that. Oh well. Nothing can be perfect. Like this thing is lean now. It was really rich before. Go back here for my adjustment screwdriver and we'll adjustment that and the lift rod. Anyhow, later guys.